Hey there, my friends. Susan here at Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 76 today. We're going to craft with the inked Botanicals DSP, and I've paired it with Calypso Coral, Basic Black, and Basic White. First, we're going to cut our cardstock down into these three sections. We're going to use the 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. Then I'm using my stylish shaped die square and die cutting out the center of that panel. We stamped our sentiment with Memento on a die cut circle from the Enduring Beauty stamp set. These are the parts and pieces we're going to use to put this project together today, and all the details are on my mini tutorial. Just subscribe. So we start by folding the card in half and giving a good score with our bone folder. Then we're going to adhere that 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece that we cut the square out of right to the center of our card. Next, we're going to layer up the square cut out with the Calypso Coral piece, and then we're going to mount that on top of the Basic Black using dimensionals between the two layers. Then once we have all three layers put together, we're going to put it onto the middle of our card, stacking it right up through the center, and I put that on with liquid adhesive. So now we've got our little bit of ribbon we're going to use for embellishment. I used a single glue dot and kind of looped it in the center, tacked it down. Then I put that in the center of my square, and then I just used dimensionals to pop up the sentiment on top right in the middle. So nice and easy, a great way to use a DSP and to steal a little piece from the center. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this project today, and remember you can subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. You can find me on my website at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com, and if you have any questions, just reach out by email. All right, everybody, thanks so much, and do some fun stamping!